Satan.
And I'm Austin.
And this is our project.
Man, I love being outside on this wonderful day playing Frisbee. I'm gonna throw it now. Oh no, I suck! That's gonna hit somebody!
I was like, girl, what? He was like, girl, what?
Have you or a loved one ever played Frisbee golf and shanked a throw so far left that you nearly killed someone?
That's me!
Introducing the Form Fixer.
Wait! What does it do?
This device is for beginners looking to get their feet in the door for any sport, such as Frisbee golf. The main thing that sets it apart from many other sports integrated learning technologies is that it offers real-time feedback before the disc even hits the ground. Instead of watching a video of Tom Brady effortlessly chuck a football downfield 100 yards, you can simply put on the Form Fixer and get all of your needs met by our real-time learning technology.
This sleeve contains two accelerometers, one on the hand and one on the forearm. They both connect to what's inside this pouch. This pouch contains 6 AA batteries and an Arduino Uno microchip connected to a Bluetooth module. This Bluetooth module then connects to an app called Dabble on your smartphone. It prints out the data sent to it by our code, and that is able to give you personalized comments after your throw to help you fix your form. This is our initial prototype. So this essentially is what we ended up with our final prototype. It looks very similar on the outside. We've got 2 accelerometers, we've got wires running up the sleeve to a bicep strap with all the other components in it. However, while this may have stayed the same, our code itself changed quite a lot during the process of prototyping. And through that, we realized that we needed to calibrate the angles of the arm that were calculated by the accelerometers due to differences in angles causing bad measurements and just bad data to come out into the Dabble app at the end of the printing process. And this led to so many misinterpretations of data that we had to initiate 2 calibration steps. And that led to even more problems. So from there we realized we needed to cut it down just to 1 neutral calibration to zero out the angles between the accelerometers, thus giving us a good threshold for the proper angle of a throw, allowing the user to fix their form properly.
So this is cool, but how do I use it?
So this is the Dabble app. This is the connection to the sleeve where you're able to communicate with it and tell it to calibrate. So to calibrate, you'll just speak or type calibrate into this interface. But before that, you need to know what to do. First, hold out your arm fully straight with the disc as level as you can. Then, once this is ready, you'll speak calibrate. Then it'll begin zeroing out the angle data between these accelerometers, and it'll be able to find an optimized angle for your throw. Now that this is complete, you can say start whenever you're ready and begin your throw, and once you release, it'll collect all that data and give you your optimized angle receipt.
Okay, so I get in position first and then throw it?
Yes, you do. As I say start, go ahead and throw. Start.
So young man, tell me, what have you learned about the Form Fixer today?
Well, I think it's a really cool thing. You know, I really like how it incorporates things from so many different fields, like electrical engineering, cyber engineering, biomed engineering, and even kinesiology.
Really? Tell me more.
Well, you know, this is a very active, sporty kind of thing. So you know, it's pretty kinesiology of it. You know, so much electricity and you know electrical components to it. It seems like great electrical engineering. Honestly, it sounds like y'all went really all out on the code. So it's great cyber engineering, and I could see applications for this in healthcare and physical therapy. So you know, like it could help save lives.
Well, thank you so much for your participation today. And this is the Form Fixer.